dokie.
Oh. Mic sound good, chat? We are back. What it do, James? What it do, Magic? You're on your way to Tampa. Damn, we're gonna be pretty close. What it do, Marcus? I mean, I think it's a wonderland right now. Trading being a wonderland, as in like we got volatility, boys. That's all we need. Who's thinking about gold longs? Because I've been thinking about gold longs for a while now. Anybody think that we should go gold long, or is it just stupid? We just go with the trend. Fuck that. Anybody currently in a gold long is the question I'm basically asking. Opening up my stream. I'm already back. This doesn't belong there. This record of the month. Did I need to add one? Did we add last win? I'm pretty sure it's 4-1. I don't recall though. Oh, that's GJ. I thought I was looking at. Dude, something's up with my trading view. Like, look how it's lagging. It took me forever to just even open one up. And I asked the chat if anybody else is having problems with trading view, and everybody said no. Look at this. I'm telling you, it's not my computer, because everything else is loading quickly. I can't change. It's fucking frozen. Oh my god. Oh, all right, we're back. Damn it. All right, is there any maniacs going for gold longs right now? Oh my god, bro, but this is... Better speed up. Any maniacs going for gold longs at all? Looking at the Fibonacci long, obviously it's not something that I would consider a valid Fibonacci long. I mean, it's valid, just not the smartest move. I don't think that going for the long is the smartest move. Now, why am I looking at going long? Due to the fact that this is already going downwards. So therefore, if I was gonna go short, I'm already too late. So the only thing I could go for is long, unless we're gonna be patient and wait. GJ looks bearish. Gold is what on the higher time frame looked bullish to me. Now I haven't seen the chart in like over an hour, and this is basically what I've missed. Let's see if it's easier to go. Oh wow, that is bullshit. We weren't here for the fucking melt out that we had after the pump. I don't think it was predictable though. So I mean, this gap fill was, you guys already know that once we had that gap, I loved how, you know, price ended up actually filling the gap. It's usually something that we look for whenever we have those type of gaps. I'm gonna give the chart another 2 minutes right now for the 15-minute candlestick to close. I mean, I got my eyes on this long. Something about it tells me it could go long, even though it already went long, but possibly the wick fill of this. Let me finish inviting the invites, sending the invites to the stream. And let's try to get a banger right now. 3-1. I feel like the record should be 4-1. I feel like we missed a win, but I could be wrong. Good morning, chat. How you doing, Peso? Peso's doing just fine. Thank you for sending the link there on us. Don't you ever get this feeling It's 199 degrees in. All right, I'm done. All right, what to do, bro? YB. All right, boys. So we got a new 15-minute candlestick that just opened on GJ. Now, when I zoom out and look at what we're looking at here, I mean, obviously we know that there's massive bearish momentum. Massive, right? This is a daily candlestick chart. The only thing I'm really focused on are these days right here. That's all I'm really focused on. I'm not really looking to the left. Fuck all that other bullshit, right? So now I go to my daily candlestick chart and I try to ask myself, what is this 4-hour candlestick trying to do? What is this daily candlestick trying to do? So this daily candlestick opened up, went down, then it went up. I don't know where it started going first, but it's closer to being bullish than bearish, right? We could say that. All right, and then when we go to the 4-hour candlestick chart, we see that, I mean, we have ascending levels of support here. What is this 4-hour candlestick trying to do? We got 2 hours left in it. So as we've ranged, I mean, we've slowly gone up, which is like, at least that just confirms that bearish momentum is dying down. Now, how about longs? How do I think about the long? I mean, I like the way that this wick is right here. I do believe that this is not the top of the market. So therefore, what I'm trying to say is I do believe that we at one point will break through this resistance level. Maybe it's to go up a little bit, then down. But for some reason, this isn't telling me that this is the top of the market. That little circle was the wick fill. I mean, was the gap fill. It's like 2 gaps here, but I think it was a gap fill, and then from here on we should possibly go for the wick fill. Now, I think majority of retail traders are taking sells right now, and that's across the board. And I could be completely wrong, but I think the majority of traders think that it's gonna go bullish, and I'm bullish, and I don't like being where the majority of traders think price is going to go, which just throws me off. So I do believe that this little uptrend could be the start of the recovery, you know, this huge melt out recovery, and this is for GJ, right? The thing that does throw me off though, which is my final thing that's keeping me out of this trade, is that we have 189 on the dot right here. I'm going to throw a line at 189 on the dot. Let me throw a horizontal line, 189 on the dot, chat. And then I got 188 on the dot, right? All the way down here. This is the 100 pip range. When you check price, we went from the top 100 pips down all the way to the bottom, right? Remember, I told you guys support and resistance act as magnet levels. So we have a magnet level up there. We have a magnet level down here, right? So if we went from, we were here, we had the chance to go up, or we had the chance to go down. We went down. All right, now we're here. Now we have the chance to go all the way up, or we have the chance to go all the way down. Yes, it's a 50-50 in your eyes. But what throws me off is that we're beneath the 188,500. Like, so we're beneath this halfway mark. And the more that we accumulate and start trading around this level, the more that it's telling me that it wants to bounce to the down, not up. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. It's a very basic way of looking at the market. It is, man, OP when I tell you. It's something that I use all the time. I always try to check what level that we're at. So basically what I'm saying is that we're 30 pips away from 188. We already rejected 188. Nonetheless, we're 30 pips away from it, and I could see price coming down and engulfing it. That's what's throwing me off right now. Does that mean it's going to happen? Absolutely not. It's just what I'm keeping my eye out on. Now, hopefully this doesn't explode without us to the top side, and we could kind of identify this as a potential Fibonacci range. I mean, ripple fib, Fibonacci range. A ripple fib, because we do have ascending levels of support, right? So support level got higher, support level got higher, support level got higher. All those levels of support are followed up by the same level of resistance. So this could be a possible ripple fib. Nonetheless, we've gone 10 pips down already, so we're only 20 pips away from the 188. These candlesticks are massive. Don't let everything looks like it's in a really weird, awkward spot 100%, but you don't get it confused because these candlesticks are massive, and so therefore there are moves to be caught, like that 4-hour wick fill. I wish I would have been here for that 4-hour wick fill. That was 2 hours ago. Should have been here. EU. So right now, I mean, we are tanking. Now is where I'm expecting. And fucking, what's ridiculous is that GU is tanking, EU is tanking, everything's tanking, right? But then we got fucking GJ. It's holding its ground. We're all the way back up to fucking 40 pips away from 188. So we went up about 20 pips in a 5-minute candlestick. Holy shit, right? Yes, that's fucking 20 pips in a 5-minute candlestick. 25 pips in a 5-minute candlestick now. Don't you ever get this feeling? It's 199 degrees and all right, we got a silent chat right now. Chat, any trades, anybody currently in any trades, or anybody currently looking at any setups that they want me to break down for them, and maybe we could get an outlook at it? I am for sure gonna hop into a trade. We got enough volatility, so I'm just waiting for that fucking fire. I'm thinking I should be in these longs right now, but that 20 pip jump already threw me off. A GJ long. I mean, look at this level of resistance that got destroyed. It's like an upside down head and shoulders here. We got like shoulder, shoulder. That could be like the head, shoulder, shoulder. Kind of like. Yeah. All right, let's go take a look at US30 for now. US30 on the recovery, on the wick fill. It is on the wick fill right now. I mean, this is not something that I would tell you guys is a bad trade. If anything, this is a great trade. 30-minute candlestick closed, left a huge wick. Majority of retail traders, majority of rookie traders would indicate this as a hammer candlestick, or they would start calling it some other weird turnaround formations, and they would probably start going for shorts, which is the absolutely ridiculous option. And that's exactly why we got a lot of traders that think trading is a hard thing, because we got a bunch of bullshit that gets pumped out there as fake knowledge. The wick fill looks great, especially the wick fill looks great on this hourly candlestick. I mean, we have 8 minutes left for this hourly candlestick to close. This candlestick is probably going to close around where it is right now, and then we're going to have a new hourly candlestick. Now, there is this wick to the downside also, but I mean, honestly, pretty bullish on this move. I think that right now there's a little bit too much panic. If the stock market and the whole market as a whole would have kept on crashing, and like, I don't know, everybody was saying it was gonna crash, and then it crashed, or whatever you guys consider a crash, you know. And at this point, if it didn't really continue and the hype is still super high, like, I feel like we're gonna have a very strong recovery. I feel like we're gonna have a very strong recovery, and it's gonna be like, oh, everybody thought the market was crashing. Yeah, sorry for the yawn. I feel like it's gonna be one of those dumb moments where everybody thinks that everything's going to hell and everything. I don't know, where it just recovers. I know specifically, I lived through it myself when we had the 2020 crash, or the 2021, the coronavirus crash. I'm not even supposed to say that on YouTube. When we had that crash, I mean, everything that I learned up to the moment of being a trader, that was probably like 3 years, 4 years down the line, was telling me that we were gonna have troubles recovering the US30. Like, that we were gonna, like, if we go to the weekly candlestick chart, I was looking at the crash that we had, right? And it looked like, man, boa tarde from Brazil. When I was looking at the crash that we had back in 2020, it really was, I thought that, I was like, man, we are not gonna be able to recover this in like, I apologize for the yawns. I thought it was gonna take us like about 3-4 years to recover, bro. Right? In 2008, when we crashed, it took about 7 years for the market to get exactly back up to where it was before. This time the crash was bigger. I thought it was gonna take much longer. And look at the wick fill that is happening right now, boys. Wick fill, for those who see what we use on Woke Money Concepts, back to back, the wick fills. The wick fills are playing out here. The wick fills are playing out greatly. So let's go and look for a SAR, and we got DXY pumping as well. We got DXY pumping, bringing gold down. I think GJ longs are good. Oh my god, GJ is already going long without us. Damn, this thing's... When we throw a trade on GJ right now, it's going to have to be like a 40 pip stop loss, chat, all right? So make sure that you guys have 40 pip stop losses ready, because if you guys look, let's look at the 5-minute candlestick chart. This 5-minute candlestick opened up with no wick at 188.200. It jumped all the way to 188, basically 700, bro. This is a 50 pip 5-minute candlestick. That's funny. We got volatility, boys. That's exactly what we need in a market like this. That's exactly what we fucking need. And gold is at 3,000. Gold is at 3,000. I believe it's going to go lower than 3,000. GU, obviously, with the dollar pumping the way it's pumping, GU is not coming back today. Today, no. Maybe tomorrow. EU as well. I think GJ's our only option right now, chat. GJ's our only option. I want to see ones in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. I want to see participation. Ones in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. Twos in the chat if you guys are bearish on GJ. What do we got with GJ right now? Ones in the chat if you guys are bullish. Twos in the chat if you guys are bearish. Honestly, I don't even. I need another candlestick. Oh shit, GG's going down now. All right, it looks like we're gonna catch a GJ bounce. That's what I'm gonna be ready for. I'm gonna catch a GJ bounce with you guys. We're gonna go for like a 40 pip stop loss. Boys, we are 3-1 for the month so far. 3-1. Let's try to keep the record strong. So, I mean, I'm going to be focused up right now, chat. For those who want to take the trade with me, you either win with me, you either lose with me. At the end of the day, we're going to take one trade only. So, therefore, I'm going to be patient, but make sure I catch a banger. Do I think I could go gold long? I like that. I mean, I know that this is like a Fibonacci level in someone's world, right? My world also, but just I'm ignoring that. I don't know. I feel like this has a little bit too much bearish momentum in that 4-hour candlestick. I kind of can't imagine this 4-hour candlestick just leaving a huge wick to the downside and then going up. It would look hella fake. Damn, GU is going through it. All right, GJ is back to where it started when we first were talking about GJ. I mean, it's at 188.200. So that whole 5-minute candlestick that ripped upwards just barely got recovered to the downside. That's an accumulation of support, right? So we were right here, we flew. Now we're all the way back here again. That tells me that we need to go downwards. So up to the moment, that's good that we haven't hopped into any GJ longs. GJ looks like it's about to go short. I mean, it doesn't even look like it's about to go short. Like structure wise, kind of price action wise, is telling me that it's ready to go downwards right now. Damn it, why are you fucking freezing? There you go. And then when I look at the chances, I mean, it is a possibility that I feel like actually no, I've lost too many times doing this. I was gonna say it was a possibility that I wanted to throw like a random long position on GU when everything starts being a little bit more stable across the board, and then hope that it starts bouncing and recovering, right? Obviously with a large stop loss. The thing is that these candlesticks are just so volatile that I could easily get another candlestick opening just straight to my stop loss. So I'm actually not going to mess around with any longs on GU. Still a chance for me to take him on GJ. Still a chance for me to take him on GJ, boys. I have not calculated the stop loss yet, so let me open up a... I just open up on my phone. But remember, chat, last 5-minute candlestick. Let's look at the size of the last 5-minute candlestick. Last 5-minute candlestick is about 20 pips. More. What am I saying? This starts at 200, ends at, it's about 46 pips, almost 50 pips. 5-minute candlestick. 5-minute candlestick. We have back-to-back 5-minute candlesticks that were over 50 pips, boys, and look at the size of these. So make sure that when we're throwing a stop loss right now, like I said, you guys can either take the trade with me to either win with me, you guys can either lose with me, or just watch and learn why I'm taking the trade, see if it hits or not. But make sure you're throwing the correct stop loss, because if you take the correct, if you imagine I go long and you guys go long as well, and you guys don't have the correct stop loss, I could easily win the trade and you guys could easily lose it, and then you guys won't be happy. Right, so right now what I'm focused on is the fact that we do have one strong level of support right here, right? One strong level of support that is rejecting price. Nonetheless, we do have, you know, these levels of support that are getting closer and closer and accumulating themselves towards this resistance. So now my question is, you know, am I bullish or am I bearish, right? Very basic question. And I haven't been able to find the answer to that, but the second that I can, I'm going to start looking for a setup towards it. All right, we have a fresh new hourly candlestick. My chart trading view has been giving me trouble today, so let me wait for this new hourly candlestick to freaking load. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in goddamn some second world country. Like, why the fuck am I getting problems on the internet? It's been giving everybody trouble. I've been seeing it all over Instagram. I know that, I mean, there's some people in the Discord that they said that they weren't having trouble with the trading view. Yo, look, the fuck is this? Is that the volatility of it's massive? I feel like it's just hard for it to process all the fucking goddamn information that's happening. But bro, volatility right now is crazy. Load! Come on. Like, I'm here trying to do a stream and shit. There we go. Fuck out of here. GJ's all the way at goddamn 500 now. Why did I just bring up why does this GJ chart look different from the other ones? This looks like it's about to go long as balls. Ah, it's just the new hourly candlestick. Oh my god. We're not in the long right now. That upsets me, that upsets me, that upsets me, that upsets me. There's no chance we could hop into the long right now. Our stop loss would have to be over 100 pips. Fuck. Damn, chat. Come on, let's hope for a retracement. Damn. That is not good. This is about to keep on going long right now. So if anybody's currently in the long, congratulations. Oh my god. Morning, Xander. This long's about to play out. Come on, come back down once. Come back down once. Give it to me once. Give it to me once. Gold, a little bit of a bounce. GU, a little bit of a bounce. EU, a little bit of a bounce. Oh, the hourly wick fill I was talking about earlier, chat. Remember I told you guys, hey, the hourly is going to close with a huge wick, and I would expect the hourly to also have the wick fill play out. That's also about to happen. Let's see. But I really want this GJ trade. Hold up. This GJ trade doesn't look like it's over yet. Volatility is massive. I mean, this is the out. Wait. The fuck is going on, chat? Oh, it says 54. I'm blind. I thought that this said 4 minutes left for the hourly candlestick to close. I was like, bro, we're it's past 11:05. Wait. Oh, it's 15 minutes. Hourly 54. Everything's correct. I'm just here tripping. Everything's cracked out. I love it. I definitely enjoy when the markets are moving like this. All right, this is my last opportunity for hopping into GJ longs if I really want it. And someone gonna convince me, telling me that this is a bad trade. US30. US30 is about to go long right now. Well, I would expect it to go long, but I don't know. US30 doesn't even look fucking. I'd expect this 1 hour candlestick to do the wick fill. Buying stocks long term, honestly, not really. Not just yet. Yo, chat. All right, so if I take this trade, oh, that would not be the trade. If I take this trade, I would end up taking it at 450. Stop loss. Is it even appropriate to go with the 50 pip stop loss right here in this situation? 400. Well, let's take advantage that we're all the way down here now. 350. What is this? 300. I like it. I like it. Chat. Fuck, it's here. All right, we're going to start taking an entry at 350, wherever 350 is, and we're going to throw a stop loss at 800, 900, 900, 900. Oh my God, I'm not even in this trade. Hold up. Please don't go, 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 please don't go. I have not hopped into it yet, so actually don't hop into it yet. I'm gonna... You know what? Take your guys' entry. Just make sure it has the correct stop loss. Take your guys' entry, make sure it has the correct stop loss. Bro, I haven't even executed my fucking trade. I'm terrified to. Tell me somebody executed. I mean, tell me somebody didn't execute. If somebody didn't execute, if somebody executed, I'll execute with them. This thing's falling and I haven't been able to actually catch an entry. I don't know if I wanted it. New 5-minute candlestick will tell me everything, hopefully. New 5-minute candlestick is giving me vibes it's gonna melt. What it do, slickest? We have an important trade coming up on. Wait, US30, the wick fill. Damn. Bro, the volatility's wild. It's absolutely wild. Oh! The fuck? Oh boy. Let me make a little video right now. I'm gonna mute myself real quick. Yo, bro, it's so hard to make a video with you guys here. I was just making a small little reel, and I fucking can't stop reading all the comments of y'all talking all that shit. Can't even focus on my goddamn video, bro. 2 minutes, and you guys can't just fucking... I'm here talking to myself for about 20 minutes. I got nobody saying anything in the chat. I mute myself to make a little video, and I got everybody just start fucking trashing on me. What the fuck is this? That was a GG right there. All right, my bad, chat. My bad. All right. I think we're going long. I think I want everybody to execute with me right now on this one. Let me pull out my phone before I start even saying anything. God damn. All right, we're gonna go. Yo, bro, but this whole bullshit of trying to calculate a stop loss yeah, I can't do that. Like, I need to go to Trade Locker, I need to calculate the stop loss, and then I need to go to Match Trader, and then fucking do a stop loss again calculation. Like, what the fuck? Bro, what a meltdown happening right now. Holy shit. Why the fuck does... Bro, the charts don't even look the same. All right, chat. Execute. I just executed. I don't know whose account this is, though. I need to execute on more accounts. I don't even know where there's a stop loss. Shit. Bro, it's so hard to fucking do this shit right here. All right, 50 pip stop loss. Don't even do it, chat. I'm gonna be in this trade myself right now. Let me fucking... I don't even know what stop loss I threw. I threw a 5 lot, and I have it at 187,764, but that's way too small. I don't even want to be in this trade. Bro, what is up with the GU? Yeah, GU is baiting people to go bullish. This thing's about to melt. I think GG's about to keep on melting right now. God damn, bruh. My whole problem that I'm having right now, chat, is that I can't calculate properly my stop loss off Match Trader. And fucking everything's just lagging horribly. Is anybody else having problems with TradingView? All right, so I love longs. Believe it or not, I love longs. Why do I love longs? I love the fact that, I mean, if we wanted to melt out with all this volatility, I feel like we would have melted out already. I think that this huge range that we're having right now, it's just price telling us, you know, that it's accumulating itself like a down channel. And then now we're doing the side channel. And we're getting ready for an up channel. So I'm not really getting scared about price going down aggressively. I'm more focused on it not breaking, let's say, major support levels like this, you know. This major support level, or we could be a little bit more... This major support level gets broken and then we'd be bearish. I mean, bro, my ears. Let me put this down. But I feel like we are currently, I mean, even in the mix of forming a ripple fib. What is a ripple fib again for anybody who is new here that does not join? I mean, it's whenever we have an ultimate level of resistance, right? So we consider this an ultimate level of resistance. Why? Because there's, you know, it's a resistance level on multiple things there. It's when we have an ultimate level of resistance and we have ascending levels of support in the make of it, right? So we have this level of support is sharing the same resistance as this level of support that is sharing this resistance that is living this share of support, same resistance. So that's one of our golden formations that we have actually being put right now. I mean, the best possible way to approach this would be to throw a long position, stop loss a little bit beneath here. And obviously we're targeting major highs. You know, we're going for real moves here. We're not going to go for baby moves. We're going for real big boy moves. This is kind of what I get on my chart right now. I don't like this, and I haven't called it out for people to execute just because this 30-minute candlestick is very bearish right now. And if I mean the second that this 30-minute candlestick starts going bullish, I'll love for our long execution. As long as this 30-minute candlestick stays bearish right now, I mean, I'm expecting it to possibly touch this low right here. If not, touch the bottom of our, what account is this? Let me erase everything from the charts. That boy Duncan, love to see the grind. Decent Empire, what's happened? I'm thinking if we have any chance of going with gold. I mean, GJ looks like it's going bearish right now, and I kind of don't want to hop into the sell. I'm kind of still seeing the possibilities of buys, but if I hop into a buy, I feel like we might get stopped out so quickly. I'll go 50 pip stop loss, and I'll give it the last chance. 50 pip stop loss means that we put a stop right here. Let's do it, boys. 50 pip stop on GJ. I'm gonna hop in. Slickest, or no, Jesse, I'm hopping in on your account. Oh, bro! No hop in yet. It's so fucking hard to call out a trade with it moving this quick, bro. Fuck, man. It looks like it's gonna go. It's this fucking stupid platform also. It doesn't help us make it easy to hop into a trade, bro. Like, what? Oh my god, I would have been already like up, bro. It's so easy to catch a trade with this volatility. I just need to fucking be on point. Can't fucking calculate shit off Match Trader. Match Trader is the downfall of everything right now. Match Trader is by far the downfall of everything. Like, if I could at least have my little line like this and hover it and be like, all right, my stop loss is right here. How much is it? Okay, I can move it. All right, how much is it right here? All right, how much is it right here? I'd be able to fucking do some shit and calculate and be like, all right, it's good. Let's throw a 14 lot. I'm going to risk 40 pips. But I can't do that shit. Nobody wants to hear somebody complain. I know. I need to stop complaining. But Jesus Christ. It just makes it so impossible. GU crashes over 100 pips below 1.2. What's up with GU? Dude, GU... Bro, I have to enter it manually, obviously, yes, but I also have to goddamn calculate. Like, I can't... Like, on every fucking challenge that I have, specifically the ones that are instant live accounts, I can't risk more than $900. Or else we get fucked. Account's gone if you risk more than $900. Right? So I have to figure out how much is $900 per every however much my stop loss is going to be. So imagine right now I want it to be $50. I need to calculate quickly. All right, how much is $900 on a 50 lot? And obviously price is changing rapidly, so it's like you need to be able to catch it, and then if you don't catch it correctly, you need to be able to adjust it. And I just don't have those numbers on the top of my head. This is about to melt, hopefully, though. Melt, you bitch. Don't even go long. Don't even. So I guess if I want to throw, if I want to risk $900. I'm seeing it's like a 2.2 lot, I think. We are not currently in a long right now, though. Can't say that I wouldn't have been in one if I had this all handled. So, I mean, Destiny has kept me out of it. That's the truth. Bro, like this is. That's not who we are. We are. Alright, let's go back to gold for now, chat. Gold's gonna probably reach the support level and maybe break it. Damn, dude. Fuck this. We're going to US30. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Damn, does this mean we should go for the long? Should we go for a long on US30, chat? Like, look at what we're looking at. I don't even know what to even tell you about this. I apologize for the silence, chat. Hold up. I think the long looks good right now, the one that's on my screen. But honestly, don't even fucking execute something unless I do it. Dude, Jesus. All right, bro, forgot about AJ. Rip, what? You crazy. You are crazy. Of course not. I mean, so this is what we have currently on our hourly candlestick chart. Dude, it's so hard to say. It's like, you guys really have to commit to a bias, and we just have to give that a one-time shot, right? I'd probably even like, does Brody still remember day one, AJ? I do remember you, day one, AJ. Do you even remember me, day one? Bullish Lifestyle, Woke Money Concepts, Peso 1475. Damn, something's telling me to go like this, but honestly, it's not a bad idea right now, taking a long on US30 of this nature style. What is this at? 36418. Can I even do that? 36418. Hold up. Hold up. I am slickest. Let's see if this works. Three, stop fucking moving. 500. 500. It's only 50 bucks. 59. So what? 0.40. Nope. It's 2,000. 0.17. Love that.
All right, I just barely hopped in a long chat. This is what I'm in right now currently. I have a risk of 1% risk, right here. My stop loss is at 36.500 basically. 36.500. 36,500. 36,500 is my stop loss. Obviously, take profit as the 101, but we're obviously going for more than a 101. This is US30 that we're currently looking at. I mean, shit, dude. With the way volatility is looking, I mean, this could go really good really quick, and this could go really bad really quick as well. So currently, this is the 1%er. Like I said again, 36,500 is entry. 36,500 is entry. This is the official trade of the day. 36,500 is stop loss. 36,500 is stop loss. I don't even know what to tell you guys. Fucking volatility is crazy and I love it, but Jesus, man, Jesus. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I just fucking... GJ Longs. Ooh. I had a fucking draft video and I just accidentally posted it. Holy shit, GJ. Come on, bump US30. Give us that same action. Yo, everything's pissing me off today. I'm in a very not good mood. Like what? GJ's fucking flying. Should have hopped into GJ instead of US30. Like what the fuck is this?
Oh, okie dokie. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. El Brody. Dímelo. Dímelo, Brody. El Brody. Come on. Pump, bitch. Come on. We got Slick in this trade. We got Jesse in this trade. No. We got no. We got Slick in this trade. We got Elias in this trade. Jesse is not in this trade. Blaze is also in this trade. AJ, you still trading, brother? Where's GJ? El Brody. Keep it push. Keep it push. Yo, Lyle, you in GJ longs right now, or are you in US30 longs? Bruh. I think it's ready. We're ready for a sip. But the thing is, bottom tick.
My bad. Just ended the day 3-0 on XPX. New Traders Pro tip. Be the best loser you could be. Then, them profitable days will come. My bad, chat. Let's go look at US30 again, our trade that we're in. It kind of looks the same as GJ, no? Yeah, they're both doing, and looks the same as NASDAQ. The whole market as a whole is doing the same bullshit. Gold is still falling, though. GJ getting me a little scared. But I like that it's closing at resistance level. 30-minute candlestick looks very strong. There's only 6 minutes left in this 30-minute candlestick, so we're about to start seeing where this price really wants to go. I'm a fucking idiot. What was I saying? I was saying that we opened at resistance on, what were we at, bro? I don't even fucking know. 30-minute candlestick on, there you go. 30-minute candlestick on US30. I mean, we closed at the resistance. Wait. It was GJ that we were looking at. I'm a dumbass. 30-minute candlestick, we closed at resistance. New 30-minute candlestick opened. We're up here, still at resistance, and I feel like it's a good signal for us to keep on going bullish, right? 100%. I was just explaining that. I was just posting a reel on Instagram talking about volatility and how volatility is a trader's playground, right? This is when we got to get fucking not all in. I'm saying like go full focus mode and really take advantage of the market conditions, because volatility is exactly what we need to be able to fucking capitalize on opportunity. Fucking trade's looking bad out of nowhere. This is not even our trade. Our trade's fucking US30. Same shit though. Looks the same as GJ. We're not gonna close out early. No, we're not gonna close out early. Good afternoon, Tony. So shitty. Damn, dude, but GU and gold are in the dump. GJ's forming some life. US30 also. US30, NASDAQ, and GJ look like they have a little bit of life left in them. Gold and GU don't. At all.
Two people on a carpet with light around the curtains. Two people from a circus on a flying carpet. Give me 1,001 nights to tell you this story, and then I'll help with the dishes. Like Solomon on green silk with the golden stitches from old and weathered art. Only the silk is fast fashion, and the stitches are barely holding together your heart. Let me re-up your dose of grape. Don't stain your spotless mood. Up close your face don't look the same as from across the room. Your eyebrows look tidier. Your hair the sort of mess
I don't want to sound dumb or like don't know what I'm doing, but I'm kind of confused about the trailing stop loss. Like I have no idea what the fuck I did right. What I did wrong there. No fucking idea. But it might be pretty obvious, and I'm just gonna feel like an idiot for even saying that. So let me finish my live stream, and now I'm gonna check everything out. Because we're sleeping and we're sleeping on the road. We're going down in the studio ground. Sugar plumber going down swinging. Be number one with a bullet. A loaded gun complex, cock it and pull it. Down.
Lately my back has got to know the wall. I'm aimless describing what I'm saying in it. But you persuade me to define what I'm saying in it. I want life from the start.
Oh shit, look at Cat JPY.
Not afraid of heights, but I'm afraid.
Oh my god.
But you're making it stick. Taking apart everyone you dated since.
When the sun comes shining, when the sun comes shining, when the sun comes shining.
I'm gonna walk my dog and I'm gonna be right back. If you guys want to stick around, I'm down for it. I'll stick around. If you guys want to leave, I totally understand. We're currently in this trade. We're not gonna close out early. This is the only one that we actually ended up taking. This US30 one altogether. Dog walk. Be right back. Currently in US30.
These are my friends, these are my friends, these are my friends, these are definitely my friends. This is the first lesson, that made me realise that I wasn't alone. Fuck it. Creeping through the night on a ringmaster bus, one street to another, and as I look around, all I see is fragile hearts. Hello, mate. I'm not going to be here forever. Fuck it. You are my friend. Somewhere we all remain together. Their acceptance is making me feel a bit awkward. Let's dance again, shall we?
Turn left up the street, nothing but grey concrete and dead beats. Grab something sweet, Mackie D's or KFC. Only one choice in the city. Don't voice in my pity, now let's get to the nitty gritty. Tune reminds me of my first D. Like unique, still 16 and feeling horny. Point to the sky, feel free. See a people all equal, smiles in front and behind me. Swim in the deep blue sea, cornfields sway lazily. All smiles, all easy. Where you from, what's you on and what's your story? Mesmerising tones, rising pianos, this is my zone, so stop cloning. Pick paper, scissors or stone. It's me and you are the same. Known you all my life, I don't know your name. Name's European Bob, sorted. Anyway, have a dance now, see you later. Pleased to meet you, likewise, a pleasure. You all smile, you all sing. You all sing, you all sing, sing. You all smile, you all sing. You all sing, you all sing, sing.
Let's dance again, shall we?
side by side. Side by side. Side by side. They go pump, but they go pump, but they go pump, but they side by side. Side by side. Side by side. They go pump, but they go pump, but they go pump, but they side by side. You know the vibes. Coming outside. Tap top. You know the vibes. Coming outside. You know the vibes. You know the vibe. He like. Turning them off. We try. Side by side. Side by side. They go pump, but they go pump, but they go pump. Side by side. Side by side. Side by side. They go pump, but they go pump, but they go pump, but they side by side. He with the dance for the OOG. She with the dance for the drillers. He with the dance for the OOG. She with the dance for the drillers. He with the dance for the OOG. She with the dance for the drillers. He with the dance for the OOG. She with the dance for the drillers. He with the dance for the OOG. She with the dance
client comes to us with an ask to launch an influencer marketing campaign. The process is pretty
Honestly, GJ and well, GJ looks better now. Oh shit, my phone's on. I hear my voice. Yeah, this is one of Yeat's best songs by far. By far.
I just flew to London, told her chill out. Yeah, all the smoke in a function with my grill out. Yeah, anybody got a problem, pull a mill out. Yeah, invoice for the fuck creep, pull a bill out. Yeah, got a bad thing in Mumbai, cooking pill out. Yeah, rich junkie, I hop on the stage with a pill out. Yeah, ran the Maybach on shrooms, yeah, I do this. Fuck that.
My pen is giving me problems. Let me try to. 1 second. I just brought the birds trying to bring, I just brought the doves trying to bring the birds out. Yeah. Damn, my pen's not working. It's a tragic day when the pen stops working. Oh, it's working. All right.
Reincarnated, I was stargazing. Life goes on, I need all my babies.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. That my seat. IP ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet.
What's the password?
What's weird is that GJ and US30 have been correlating very well. And right now we're getting really strong signs from US30 buys, but not from GJ buys. I'm not worried about GJ buys, but the thing is, it throws me off because if GJ starts going downwards, you know, I don't know where this could have a lag and then start going downwards later on afterwards. So hopefully right now we get the biggest possible pump that we can, bro. We need a big pump.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down, whole time I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he a certified lover boy, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 that fuck him up. Wop, 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 I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
Keep on going.
They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something? P-Rest stands for bitchin'. You Malibu most wanted, ain't no law boy, you ball boy. Fresh Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie, be flipped over your boxes, or over your foe. The other vaginal option, pussy. Nigga better straighten they posture. Got famous all up in content. Might write this with a doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident. I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Grower. He was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch. I'm glad D-Rose came home. Y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central. Nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving fly.
Alright, boys, we're gonna do a little breakdown of why we're in this trade currently. I am streaming. We are currently on live stream. Nonetheless, a little breakdown of this trade so you guys can get an understanding of in real life setups. All right, let's bring in the breakdown. So, thing that's throwing me off right now is this hourly candlestick chart. I know a lot of people do interpret this as, hey, we are going to keep on riding along this 8 SMA and price is going to keep on riding above it. The thing is that we are in a majority bearish market, right? Market has been currently crashing. So at any moment, this hourly candlestick is telling me, the one that we currently are in, that it could go downwards and start disrespecting this 8 SMA, right? Any second now. 15-minute candlestick chart. Believe it or not, this also looks a little bit like a sell bias. I kind of expect myself to go into a little bit of drawdown right now, even though when we started this trade, we went into profit, then drawdown. Probably expect a little bit more drawdown right now. What keeps me strongly held in this trade right now, right, is the fact that I'm looking for a down channel, side channel, up channel. So we had our down channel, price has been ranging, side channel, and currently with this 4-hour candlestick, right, this 4-hour candlestick closes in exactly an hour and 20 minutes. I just need this candlestick closure to either maintain itself bullish or for it to close somewhere around maybe this 8 SMA, acting like it's respecting the 8 SMA. After that, next 4-hour candlestick has a very, very strong chance of hitting the wick fill. And that's exactly what I'm currently going to be looking for, the wick fill of the 4-hour candlestick, right? I don't expect this 4-hour candlestick to fly right now. I'm just trying to survive the hour before, right? The hour before the candlestick actually closes, this 4-hour candlestick. And if we get to survive, I mean, we're going to be in a golden setup, especially because volatility is going to start picking up. And that's when I would expect the wick fill to actually get completed, which would mean this candlestick closes somewhere where it's at. And the next candlestick opens, possibly leaves a wick to the downside, but ends up flipping bullish and flying. Yeah, we're going to update you when this trade, you know, is in a different position, and we'll be right back.
Brother, tell me what we on, I'm on the same shit. The death I plan for cuz ain't nice, blood, I hate them. I feel the safest when the club let me bring Drake in. Why you wanna see it smile again? Ain't they facing? They don't know that they contribute to the violence every payment. Say she don't fuck around with 30, she just take 10s. Think you gon' fuck with me for free, bitch, what you lace with? When all the smoke like a vape pen. Hold on, brother, chase him. Say my name, I pop up like the boogeyman. Fucking the game over, dropping bangers with no hooks. And free my brother Leak, I hate I'm putting money on your books again. If you ain't never took him in, nigga, calm down. A known hoe, so I approached her with my palm out. Was on that LC in the county ring songs. Risk taker, beat that block with 50 niggas on it. Hey, Echo, turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it. Ain't making love to the juice, I'm just sipping on it. Not no full men without no fullies. Who got glitches? My little cousin don't slide but won't blick. I gave that bitch a tour. When it's a homicide, can't seem to shake them clips of horror. Folks told me pull up to AZ, he got them switches for us. Stop viding on your war stories, be the bitch bored. Hey, another top flat, we need to clip some more. We up the most, you know that been a score. 2-1. Yeah. Brother, tell me what we on, I'm on the same shit. The death I plan for cuz ain't nice, blood, I hate them. I feel the safest when the club let me bring Drake in. Why you wanna see it smile again? Ain't they facing? They don't know that they contribute to the violence every payment. Say she don't fuck around with 30, she just take 10s. Think you gon' fuck with me for free, bitch, what you lace with? When all the smoke like a vape pen. Hold on, brother, chase him. Say my name, I pop up like the boogeyman. Fucking the game over, dropping bangers with no hooks. And free my brother Leak, I hate I'm putting money on your books again. If you ain't never took him in, nigga, calm down. I know her, so I approached her with my palm out. Was on that LC in the county ring song. Risk taker, beat that block with 50 niggas on it. Hey, Echo, turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it.
We many killed it.
Stay so fresh, so clean, think they like me. I wear more Supreme than a hype bitch. Only blue, no green, don't excite me. I could make a hoe out your wifey. Jeremy's got up on my toes, act like Shocky. Made her get down on the bottom and she tied me. Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. Niggas think I'm weird and they don't really like me. Cause I can fuck your bitch and fuck your mom and auntie. Your girl's a 5, but your mom is a dime piece. And your auntie, her name is Miss Connie. I got one Glock, his name Clyde, the other one named Bonnie. These bitches, they think they dandy, but they be just lying. That little bitch can't throw it back, I swear that hoe be trying. When I fuck her from the front, it sound like that bitch dying. VVS, I need a vest, and need me act my diamond. I swear these niggas talk shit, but they really be hiding. Had that boy bitch on my dick, that hoe she was just riding. Diamonds on my neck, so wet, that shit look like Poseidon. I stand on my money, then my height, it turn to 9'10". Yeah. These niggas be biting. Grata, I'm not really with the fighting. Yeah. Me and her was vibing. Yeah. Your bitch call me Myron. Stay so fresh, so clean, think they like me. I wear more Supreme than a hype bitch. Only blue, no green, don't excite me. I could make a hoe out your wifey. Jeremy's got up on my toes, act like Shocky. Made her get down on the bottom and she tied me. Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. Niggas think I'm weird and they don't really like me. 90,000, that's a lie, man. Yeah, I can tell you it's the real spill. Yeah, fuck your bitch just for a light bill. Yeah, but then they clip ain't mostly burning. I can't sleep, no, I can't miss. I got icebergs on my neck. I can sink a ship out of space, swag. Not regular. Titanic, my whip in the hood, I'm not regular. I just brought my stick, baby. Oh, you think I give a fuck because I'm rich, baby? Come on, baby, let's have sex and have a rich, baby. She said, I thought you ain't do that, well, you dismissed, baby. Young nigga know I ain't chain low, was from 6, baby. I don't think they like me, but when I drop this song, I know they'll get excited. She was homie girl, but now that girl is my bitch. I like them girls that do that scamming and that swiping. I just ran up on my pants. 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 She give me hit that be my grand. 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 Got addicted to the rule, got addicted to the shit. Got addicted to the foreigns, got addicted to the rats. Man, these boys be doing the moves, and I swear that he's a fast. Man, this girl ain't give me brain, man, we call that be my grand. Man, we call that be my grand. Yeah, we call that be my grand. Yeah, we call that be my grand. shit, then I might migrate. Anywhere you go, know some niggas gon' hit. I don't run from shit, but the damn police. All blue hunters to wash my face. Stay so fresh, so clean, think they like me. I wear more Supreme than a hype bitch. Only blue, no green, don't excite me. I can make a hole out your wife. Jeremy Scott up on my toes, act like Shocky. Made her get down on the bottom and she tied me. Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. Niggas think I'm weird and they don't really like me.
Drum dummy, dummy. Drum dummy made the beat and look gon' kill him.
Oh, this drum dummy who made this beat, I ain't flashing though. I'm just cooling right now. And ain't nobody with me around in the studio. And I'm just bored. I hope y'all waiting to hear from me. So, rich street nigga, I ain't tryna feel no sorrow. Try that Maybach like a fucking Monte Carlo. I been tryna find some peace and only God knows. Cost me once, can't call my phone, you get the dial tone. I been on fleek, I'm poppin'. Not many run if you don't know it help my pockets. And my bro, say that Draco ain't go wildin'. Tryna grow up, don't come in contact with that violence. Violence should be played how I'm stylin'. Comment well, she like wet picture, that ain't my bitch. Tired of the bayou, I won't take it out to New York and live a high life like a nigga signed with Highbridge. I flash out and take his head from out his body. I never once showed you that side, but that's who I'm is. I know I let that daddy spit on college. If I die right now, just check the stats and see how I did. I'm a real street nigga, yeah. I just put my red eye out and tried to stop a nigga. Where you going? I just walked outside my house and I'm on shot a nigga. Fuck my ex, I hope my next can probably top a nigga. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Victim of heartbreak and I'm so damaged. Stepping in blood with these thugs and I can't panic. Yeah, we knocked them off, nigga, what they gotta hand it. I just took the phone and on the block and to the top off. Talking all this top, I go by top, I get them knocked off. See them youngins hopping out that Benz, that's some drop offs. They was hating, I knocked them out my lens, that ain't my fault. I'm with him, I'm drinking on that can like a po-po. Pick a D, they drinking on that gin. I been going off on all these hoes, waiting on me to fall. I walk in quick, dirty as the fuck with P up in my drawers. Bitch, I'm drunker than a fuck, I need some Tylenol. I go next soon as you book, I shoot at all of y'all. I left therapy with K3 and I spit off. Talking proper as the fuck with my head off. Talking proper as the fuck with my head off. Been going crazy, but I can't let my son see it all. All this love got me damaged, I just want it gone. If you my friend, let's get it in, just take your panties off.
Dokie, okie, dokie, okie, dokie, okie, dokie. I knew I was gonna go into drawdown. That was expected. I need to just survive this drawdown. That's the fucking problem. The thing is, there's no. Let me go back to the record mode. So drawdown as I expected, incoming. There's still about an hour left for the hour. For the 4-hour candlestick to close. My bad, I'm about to sneeze. I need to sneeze. All right. What still has me in this trade 100% is the fact that I don't believe that this 4-hour candlestick is going to flip bearish and then just continue melting. I think that once this candlestick started leaving a huge wick to the top side, we had a majority of retail traders, majority of what I like calling rookie traders, start hopping into these sells, and potentially they've been holding, potentially they got scared when the little bullish push happened. I have no idea what's happening with the sellers, but what I do know is that this 4-hour candlestick has baited way too many sellers, and I feel like that's why it's being pushed downwards, and it's just going to end up being a huge fake out. At the end of the day, we're going to see this 4-hour candlestick either start being bullish again before it closes, or the next candlestick will open and then just completely fill up this whole wick. So I'm going to hold through the drawdown. A little scared, but we are definitely going to hold through the drawdown. We do not close out trades early. We barely even believe in the break-even trades, as in, if you're setting up a setup, you know, imagine this goes to profit, then it goes to break even. It's if it's at break even, it's still the exact same fucking setup I was taking originally, right? Just on a smaller time frame, there was candlestick closures. So if you're majority taking trades based off of a higher time frame, just because of a 15-minute candlestick going bullish, then another one going bearish, and your trade being stuck at break even, does not mean you need to close. Because if we go to the 4-hour candlestick chart, we're still in this trade because of the reason that we originally took this trade, and it was because of the 4-hour candlestick. So there's no break even right here. We got a man up, hold it through this drawdown. Some people might say, hey, what about closing the trade out and then trying to catch it as it goes down a little bit more? I mean, if you were very advanced, even if you are very advanced, it's still a risk, because at any point, and I do believe that this support level will get broken, right? This is an accumulation of support. I believe this support level will get broken. Hopefully we get to snap, you know, if it comes back down to this area that I just circled, hopefully we snap it back up after that. But I'm not going to try to time the market like that. We're just going to hold and be patient. GJ is looking better now. You know, Mopa Kali.
Fuck you mean, nigga? You ain't fucking with him? Hell to the no, I don't fuck with that nigga. Hello everyone, I'm Marion Carey reporting to you live over one of the most interesting stories in history. Of course, we are mindful of the situation with the
And I'm right back on Rodeo. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Caro. She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Up in the P-house, I'm beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo.
Is the music at a good volume level? Lio, you still there? Who's still in the chat? Who's still focused? Well, at least, I mean, I doubt that you guys are just fucking watching the stream, but who's here listening? Who's still trading? Volatility did die down a bit. Look how GJ started going bullish, and I mean, this one recovered, but US30 didn't. Thank you for letting me know, Lio. Cuando pueda volver quisiera llevarte a los Roques. Mami, yo tengo un pana que no puede alquilar un bote.
She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Up in the P-house, I'm beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up, don't wreck, get your post out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. Say nigga won't talk out his side of his neck. I just let it be, I'm coming swallow. You pick the fight and no way you can run from it, nigga, cause we going at it. I know some nigga locked up in the dungeon. They say they feel me like a fabric. I know you heard I've been pulling up pressing these niggas who claim I read it.
Dude, that daily on gold, fucking insane. Imagine the people that stuck very strong to the saying of like follow the trend, and just sniping longs, and they keep on sniping longs on gold. Imagine we were to take this shit like, oh, no. We're not taking this trade. Do not just execute this shit like random. But I feel like this has a pretty good chance of hitting.
We have half of the people that I'm trading their account in fucking GJ longs, and the other half are in US30 longs. Motherfucker. I expect both to go up the same direction though. So US30 people, if you guys are in US30 right now, don't get scared. And I'm still back on Rodeo. Why would I haven't checked if there was any random news gonna come out? No, we're good. And tomorrow, no, there's not anything tomorrow.
My daughter, that's real love. My mama, that's real love.
Oof, GJ's going.
Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should never felt, I should never sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together. I'm pulling up for 100 and better. It's a real bliss storm in this motherfucking bells. I put my heart out, I wrote me a letter. A nigga so rich, yeah, they calling me trash. I'm styling, I'm wildin', got sticks, I ain't hiding. My bitch exotic, like something from the islands. My peace so sacred, I stay by violence. LA, I'm ducked up in the hills, the highs. We got my bands up. I just be entertaining the crowd, just like I'm staring up. I was down on my dick, couldn't stand up. Yeah, your block twisted and it get padded up. I want everything I see, just bag it up. Too many cameras on the car, no jack need to back me up. Yeah, she dropped her drawers, her ass soft like cotton balls. Can't even hold it, Draco in my hand and jump like a frog. Boy, kill yourself, you think my daughter ain't getting fed. Having that type of bang roll, that'll get a nigga scratch. Yeah, they talking about doing this and that, but you know they scared. Nigga mad, but they bankroll income ain't coming in yet. Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should never belt, I should never sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together. I'm pulling up for 100 and better. It's a real bliss storm in this motherfucking bells. I put my heart out, I wrote me a letter. A nigga so rich, yeah, they calling me trash.
Oh my God, US30 is gonna go into drawdown.
So sacred, I stay by violence. LA, a duck up in the hills, the highs. Smell like Tom Ford, baby girl over my hygiene. Yeah, I'm dripping in fashion, and I ride with these magazines. Choke chain dance, yeah, fast car driving. Stains on my jeans, one for that should never come. I just have a lot of rings on me like an Audi. Lifestyle living, I never caught, man. He made the wrong turn on bleed and then they burnt them up. Round with a lot of racks in my jeans, yeah, I got Birkins on. Whole thought I was slow cause I'm sipping codeine, bitch, you burnt as fuck. Know you run around here fucking the whole gang, yeah, you slurping us. Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should never belt, I should never sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together.
Tony, how's that live account looking?
It's a real bliss storm in this motherfucking bells. I put my heart out, I wrote me a letter. A nigga so rich, yeah, they calling me trash. I'm styling, I'm wildin', got sticks, I ain't hiding. My bitch exotic, like something from the islands. My peace so sacred, I stay by violence. LA, I'm ducked up in the hills, the highs.
I thought I loved somebody a lot to have my daughter. Now I know I gotta go home to my daughter and wake up next to her. When she wake up in the morning, she gonna be like, oh, my dad right here. Every time.
Back
with the remix. These boys are my sons like Phoenix. My city and state never ever seen this. Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. On a futon, I'ma give it that penis. When this shit's done, I'ma fill up arenas. Ooh, like Gilbert Arenas. Shoot my shot, I'm still with the demons. Ooh, I keep it thorough. I got 5 chicks in New York, that means 1 in each borough. I'm in the pocket like Burrow. When I'm back home, no, they treat me like Robert De Niro. Took her to Taco Bell, bought her a churro. Took her home, gave her a cinnamon swirl. I left it in, now I got her €1. Zeros on zeros on zeros. That's what my bank account balance say. I got a check from a shoe company, now I do anything a New Balance say. I bought her a plane ticket out of state. I got me a shorty from Runaway, said I'm in town today. She said she coming over and she down to stay. I got a hit, she been playing that shit, so when she pull up on me, I know what she bout to say. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Calling my bitch, tell her bring me that noggin. Brain real good, she a scholar. I like a thing with low mileage, good brain with no college. Call me the baby, no Tyler. I'm real creative and stylish. F in my denim. I send that hit, make them spin 'em. And I just flew back from LA on the jet yesterday. I go back and forth like I play tennis. I fuck with your hoe, yeah, I feel for it. Still on the Billboard, the #1 song in UK. And now they got so fucking rich, all these hoes on my dick. I still don't give a fuck what you say. She eat it like a Pac-Man, nigga. Whoop a nigga like I'm Batman, nigga. I just put up in the Batmobile. The reason I ain't fucking with these rap ass niggas, cause they cap ass niggas and their raps ain't real. Believe me, you wanna keep your life and take it easy. I'm rocking water diamonds, need a squeegee. These niggas water down, they drinking Fiji. My whip is orange and brown like I'm in Cleveland. My bitch is mellow yellow like a soda. These niggas title tellers, I'm a soldier. Hey, somebody tell them niggas better so. You know it's baby, nigga.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
Scattered, I caught her, I'm out here with somebody's daughter. She calling me daddy, I'm somebody's father. I gotta go diss it, I when I go kiss it. I put my lips on it like somebody watered it. Diamond, the glacier, the card in the wallet. She put up to fuck me, but nobody caught it. She told me that she wasn't feeling my music, I fucked it. She told me it's nobody harder, and I'm with the G-ski. I need that shit for the free ski. We are not buying no pussy, you sell it on P-Street. It's so much work on my celly, I had to go tell all my bitches, email it to reach me. All in my DM, I follow your BM. She played with the Krosky. We used to fuck on the low ski. She used to lie on my bed and go lie to your face and say I'm just a broski. Nigga, you knows me, you ain't believe it, you wanted to toast me. I had it standing as long as a ruler in case you was coolin' and wanna approach me. Dropped the Bentayga, came back in the culling and she wanna fuck again. I want that tongue again, stuck it so deep that she cough up a lung again. 5-star bitches, they on the run again, running in diamonds, they illuminating the way that I come again. I just put so many pennies on the watch and I don't never got a stun again, nigga, look toward.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Oh my god, I wasn't even fucking looking. Oh my god, please tell me US30's doing the same. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We do got blessings.
What's poppin'? Brand new phone, just dropped it. Fuck it, I got options. I bust down a couple Apple Watches. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in her friend zone. Ooh, ooh, I'ma bust all in the skin tone. I be messed up as Ken Jong. Ooh, ooh, dark hair bitch like she go. I like I'm blind like me though. Although I'm dying called Leo. I was still slide like Neo. Keep all around my pre-roll. New Orleans nigga, I'm Creole. She say, babe, does that hurt when I deep though? I just better not for your T-ho.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
I just asked God why he called for truth. When it's time to ride, the love him nigga proof. You know
That was a good pump. This should continue. Gold also.
because your son look like you fool. King true. I hop out of dabbing. My old lady classy. We on to this fashion. My goose in on dabbing. Hop out with a baby. My falcon chick bragging. My bricks they high fashion. She naked, I walk through the door. I promise she know. I pull up a bow and got more. I'm cold as the no fucking pole. I came a long way from the stove. I hop in the fire and go slow. I start ain't no time in it. Oh. I just beat the K. I hopped at the bin. I just for some twins. Had the jury in. I hopped out again. Put up in the rain. Got drink in my cup. Like on Kurt Cobain. From Ashley to class. Keep up with my ice and my fashion. I take care of my kid with a passion. I pray to God that they stay happy. Lil' Roscoe, he sleep where it's nasty. They could've freed him cause he grew up with
dead. But instead they took advantage and did them badly. Ain't get no fuck 'cause we was sad. Gotta
Come on.
club and that's all they had. They also knew that little nigga didn't have a wagon. Damn. I hop out of dabbing. My old lady classic. We on to this fashion. My goose in them tabs. Hop out with a baby. My falcon chick bragging. My bricks they high fashion. She naked, I walk through the door. I promise you know. I pull up a bow and got more. I'm cold as the no fucking pole. I came a long way from the store. I hop in the fire and go slow. I start ain't no time in it. Oh. Stop the killing. We could get millions. We together. Get chill. Fuck them niggas. Keep them ready. Let them have God for forgiveness. Fuck baby. You know them slimes with it, baby. Stack them rats up to the ceiling. Hey. Fuck you a nigga on late. Keep them mad and that's how you know you're doing good. Keep embarrassing them with rest that look like books. I'm so finished with these bitches. I need me a real one. I need commitment. Where you at? Action. I hop out of dabbing. My old lady classic. We on to this fashion. My goose in them tabs. Hop out with a baby. My falcon chick bragging. My bricks they high fashion. She naked, I walk.
I mean, it's looking good, right? It's looking good. What I'm hoping is that this huge pump that we're having isn't a freaking liquidity grab. As in, if this comes all the way back down to this level of support right here, we're in big danger. Big danger. So I'm hoping that whatever we just barely pumped, we continue pumping. Because if it looks something like US30 looks, US30 is looking a little scary. But GJ and US30 have been correlating. So, I mean, I don't see a place where... I mean, it's possible, but US30, I don't see where US30 goes downwards and GJ doesn't. Therefore, I don't see where GJ goes upwards and US30 doesn't. Either US30 needs to start flying or GJ's going to start dumping. Oh my God. Spoke too soon. Come on. Looks like a great ripple fib, though. Like, this is the ripple fibs that we trade all the time. Ascending levels of support, same level of resistance. Come on, need this to play out.
I went from rags to riches. I still go back to the trenches. We had to smash some niggas. No silver spoons, we had plastic utensils. He just just came home, he still packing his pistol. Die in these streets or get saved by the system or get you some millions. My lifestyle is vicious. These hoes ain't gon' miss you. They fuck on your partner, act like they forgot you. That shit how you sick. My girl, she the realest. I know how to pick 'em. I know what I did. I need you to rap with me. I know she get ugly, but that's why you pretty and pushing her Bentley. My kind of stink. I put up no millions. I never go broke. I'm a god in my hood. I give everyone hope. Can't remember a time when my answer was nope. I remember the times I had nowhere to go. Down to my lowest, I turned to a poet. I'm pouring my heart out. I bought my little boy house. I brought all the bros out. I never try show out. I'm never gonna go out. Never that every time that I turn around, I'm giving back. Once they whack him, he's dead. It ain't no getting back. I was giving my all, not asking for it back. I had blue hearts at first. I had to turn them black.
Rags to riches, 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 the riches, yeah. Rags to riches, 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 the riches, yeah.
I mean, now we are getting our infamous ripple fib setup that we take all the time. One level of resistance with ascending levels of support. And now we have a ripple fib setup, which is where we have ascending levels of support, all followed with the same level of resistance, which is the one that we got right here. I mean, this trade is looking absolutely beautiful. I am trading some instant live accounts from a couple of clients. Some of them are in GJ longs, and the other two are like in US30 longs. Which US30 was looking way better than fucking GJ. But that's the way trading works.
Out to the flat, tear that bit, made back down the net. I put that drip on the map, platinum on all of the plats. When I got million status, Sunday earnings and money, magic. Throw it back on the baddie. All blood, put the mat on the caddy. I'ma get paid automatic. Ain't here to you niggas for credit. I'm in the town, don't need no addy. It's going down and we always ready. And I'm right back in the A. Smooth, I ain't leaving no trace. Rest on me, fresh out the chase. You got it off the display. I got it from the wrong way. I got it.
Come on, Powell. Give us something.
Don't do this shit for the fame. Staking these Benjamin Franks. You rich, they don't give you no rank. You thinking it's that, but it ain't. They put on my back in that A.
When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. Da-na-na-na-na. Come on, US30, give it. Give it. Let's see something crazy. We're about to get a 15-minute candlestick closure in 2 minutes less. Oof. That's exactly why we didn't go with gold. Oh my god. Come on, push. New 15-minute candlestick opening is going to be great for GJ. Hopefully it does the same for US30.
I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you rats, I tried to buy in. I even did the unthinkable. I'm sorry for what I did to you. Take me back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would. I probably wouldn't. Take you back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would. I probably wouldn't. Just wipe your eyes and started crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you rats, I tried to buy in. I even did the unthinkable. I'm sorry for what I did to you. We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought her diamond rings, matching earrings. Everything was so cool. Lately, baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody told you, but I ain't gon' lie, Mr. OU. Keep popping this till I said the internet ain't doing no help. I know I shouldn't have never lived, but everything I did for us and us, I'm speaking on my kids. Thinking about the shit I did, like how the hell I get myself involved in this bullshit. Married to the game, I can't make you my fiance. Bad young boss, bitch, treat her like Beyonce. But damn what them bras say, I fucked them all the first day. And it's why you tripping anyway, like when I fuck them, I don't pay. Even if we never speak again, I make sure you riding in the latest Benz. Keep your business on the pub, you can stay out of mind. Bought a brand new Audemars, but I done ran out of time. We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought her diamond rings, matching earrings. Everything was so cool. Lately, baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody.
Come on, let her go. Looked like we were going into drawdown. New 15-minute candlestick opened with a lot of momentum. I'm not expecting us to fly straight to take profit, but definitely it was a really good 15-minute candlestick opening. This 30-minute candlestick is looking great now. 15 minutes left for it to close, a little less. Like I said, I'm not expecting us to go straight to profit, but I mean, it's a really good sign. This trade is looking great. And then specifically, let's look at the 2-hour candlestick chart. The wick fill is starting to happen. And look at our 4-hour candlestick. It's probably going to close exactly at our 8 SMA. Might pass it right now, but I feel like this 4-hour candlestick is going to close at the 8 SMA, as I anticipated before, and then from there we get a new 4-hour candlestick opening. New 4-hour candlestick might make a bottom wick, but at the end of the day, it's going to end up wick filling to the top. Let's see how it plays out. Market's not doing shit right now. It's definitely not moving beautifully. It was a lot more volatile, but I mean, we're getting good movement right now, at least. How many pips is that 15-minute movement right there? 15, 40 pips. I mean, it's moving. We really can't say it's not moving. Now, not doing shit as in it's bouncing around and ranging, definitely.
We switching position, we switching locations. I'm fucking this bitch in the gym. She said she don't wanna say Gunna no more. She about to start calling me him.
She's a rocket.
The price is high. I'm about to fly to Dubai. Plus some boo, HB on the tie. I with the 101 ride. And cuff in the bill at a slide. I come and I come to get mine. Pop out on these bill like surprise. 101 bitch, they team. 101 never again. Don't get the cake in the butter. I count it like hustle the money all in. Rhyme in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W, due for a win.
I done put 20 up under the seal. Hey. I done put 20 inside the seal. I pull up on you and I pop at your kid. I pull up your block and I pop at your beat. I hopped out the coupe and I'm fresh as a bitch. Since I was a youngin', I've been getting the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I want how to say it again, yeah. I put the V-net on my chin, yeah. I think everything that you're saying, I think everything that you're doing too. I did the way that you look at me, you did the way that I look at you. I just wanna grab on your butt, but the seat in the Benz a Chanel clutch. The F in and give him a haircut. I roll up a salmon the John Dutch. That big booty bounce on the dick in it, bro. I don't gotta act like a gangster, she know. Dope, my bad will look like a pole. Yeah, my bad will look like a pole. I sit on clouds of the smoke. I'ma blow clouds of the smoke. Pardon me, pardon my soul. I crack a smile for the fold. Hey, niggas they eating in broad day. In that whole mouth like a cold gate. Yeah, keep it a cold case. God, please keep it a cold case. Man, I don't want no new friends. Forgive me for all of my sins. I don't wanna think about losing. All I wanna do is win. I put 20 inside the sea. I pull up on you and I pop at your kid. I pull up your block and I pop at your beat. I hopped out the coupe and I'm fresh as a bitch. Since I was a youngin', I've been getting the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I want how to say it again, yeah. I put the V-net on my chin, yeah.
Without the radio, it's 20 a show, and that's for sure. Get that back end, bitch, we buying dope. That's how it go. Like amigo about the free van. That 44, I could cook the dope with no stove. Pot on the floor. Pull up in that coupe shit, nigga like damn where the
Oh, yes, sir.
They call me JC, little bitch, I got the blueprint. Little nigga, I want no old hunters, you know I want no blue strips. And I can't fuck you old hoes, I'm ballin' with my new bitch. Yeah, you did that. 200,000 worth of chain, and that's a fact. Get my name in this rap game. I'm selling crack. Recipes to OG Double D. You did that slide.
I done put 20 inside the sea. I pull up on you and I pop at your kid. I pull up your block and I pop at your beat. I hopped out the coupe and I'm fresh as a bitch. Since I was a youngin', I've been getting the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I want how to say it again, yeah. I put the V-net on my chin, yeah.
Shoot out the coupe, shoot out the roof,
shoot out the roof.
Pull up a smash on it. We don't gotta put a bag on it. I took your hoe, you did. I told her hoe to sit. Had big bells, midget. Now you can't say I ain't got millions. Swam with sharks, water splash. You be law and order. 12. I be getting money every morning. Tom Joyner. Heard you getting money, but you paying them niggas extorting you. You pay for your fame and fortune. You pay for your fame and fortune. I am the plug, cordless. Pull up with blazers, Portland. I pay the neighbors to pick up the dope on their porches. I came from nickels, my niggas don't know you, we do not fuck with you. I been in the system, I been in the picker, you did me like shovels, I gotta fuck with you.
I done put 20 inside the sea. I pull up on you and I pop at your kid. I pull up your block and I pop at your beat. I hopped out the coupe and I'm fresh as a bitch. Since I was a youngin', I've been getting the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I want how to say it again, yeah.
Perkins, I'm the doctor. Draco, 100 round chopper. She got her eyes on me like binoculars. Watch, count up this money is marvelous. Count it up, stall it, bitch. I don't call the staller. You better dig what I'm saying. Dig what I'ma kill you and your man. I'ma kill. Beat down the block like an amp. Going up like a skateboard on the round. Whoa. Go by the rollie and bust it. Talking that tough shit, but you know you not gon' bust it. Huh? Look at my fashion. This is a Gucci rugby. Look at it. I'm trapping and rapping. Still got them babies in custody. My diamond be dancing, live in the mansion. My life is lovely. Ain't no more loyalty. Not the West, I'll pay the loyal. She could get ugly. Put 20 inside the city. I pull up on you and I pop at your key. I pull up your block and I pop at your beat. I hopped out the coupe and no presents of bitch. Since I was a youngin', I've been getting the door.
Rest in peace, young Scooter. Rest in peace to all the fucking Scooters.
I get money, I'm a star. I get money, I'm a star. お金稼ぐ、俺らはスター。お金稼ぐ、私はスター。スター、キラキラ。私はスター。He know who I am, ain't had to say my name. Stack it up like Tetris, but this money ain't a game. Watashi kawaii, kalata. Drinking out the bottle, getting twisted, maruchan. Big exotic Hermes, this a crop. Watch too expensive, ain't no way I'm getting clapped. I think I'm so sexy, every shirt I own is cropped. So many carats, diamonds do the bunny hop. In the US or Japan, if he meet me, he gon' bow. I got yen for your friends, if they pretty, bring them out. Going dumb and Madam Wu, pouring sake in they mouth. Told him put me on his plate, bring them chopsticks to the south. I get money, I'm a star. I get money, I'm a star. お金稼ぐ、俺らはスター。お金稼ぐ、私はスター。スター、キラキラ。私はスター。流れる星たちどこに向かう？また願い叶えながら暮らす。ジュエリー見つけたまま歌う。スターたちが集まったスタジオ。夜な夜な酒たくさん並ぶアジト。さっきまで六本木で収録ラジオ。そっからテレビ撮影するはしご。カメラたち追いかけてる俺たちを。大好きピカピカのダイヤ。暗いとこ輝いてる毎晩。Nice to meet you する挨拶。I'm so happy ありがたいな。I get money, I'm a star.
Lyle, you in any of these trades?
I get money, I'm a star. お金稼ぐ、俺らはスター。お金稼ぐ、私はスター。スター、キラキラ。私はスター。
Screw me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold. I done bought 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carat in stones. Cash on the California cash, can't wait to go dress my home. Smash all you itty bitty rappers in a minute, I be showing the prolong. On the way to reach my goals, lot of those open and close. I been spending millions on clothes, I been making millions off clothes. Stay new money to the old, garbage stay bitches and old. Cut up my shirt full of hoes, don't wanna got a lot of hoes. Shout out my cousin, my kin, my blood, my boat. Hold my 10, I plant that seed, give it water to grow. €500,000 in a third world country, I travel the coast. Always say that I want it, you don't want it, and then that I do what they don't. Never try to stunt my growth, I instead to chase my goals. Nigga, why you watching, I'm grown, nigga can't take my throne. Going through the motion, stay strong, you done been him all alone. Look at all this money we done grown, lot of different places I done flown. little bitch, she swallow my kids. She swallow my kids. Pull up on the kid, she left her kids at home. It's 10 p.m. and I don't want man, it's 4 in the morning. Marlboro Spain and the view is the same, run the corner from Jordan. Speed in the coupe, Jeff Gordon. I got the foreign imported. Knew what we sold out the Barclay, now we gon' sell out the garden. Drop 'em a fuck up the market, y'all gonna really a Martian. Excusing me through like I'm parting, and I'm protected by carbons. Never try to stunt my growth, 5 instead of chase my goals. Nigga, why you watching I'm grown? Nigga can't take my throne. Going through the motion, stay strong. You done been him all alone. Look at all this money we done grown. Lot of different places I done flown. On the way to reach my goals, lot of them open and close.
You do it too. So that's what it's about.
Going through the motion, stay strong. You done been him all alone. On it off the jet, goddamn. I don't get no rest, goddamn. I want my respect, goddamn.
I know I'm muted, bruh. I was sending messages. I need to figure out. I'm gonna put a curtain on my right hand side, and I need to go get a haircut because I hate how I look on camera right now. 1, the lighting sucks. 2, I look like goddamn a trucker with this hat. You know, go make that work. La 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 la. GJ's looking amazing. Good shit. Regardless, I can't consider this GJ, like when this GJ hits, I can't put it as a win. The only thing I could put as a win is a US30, because US30 is the only thing I really called out. GJ, I tried to hop in it multiple times, but that shit was so hard to fucking actually hop in an account and calculate stop loss and shit like that. With Trade Locker, everything would be so much better. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Boys, I just barely uploaded a reel. If you guys are here, Lio, Tony, Slickest, Anas, King City, go comment on that reel. Comment on it. I'll truly appreciate it. As much engagement as possible. We don't even got much people stream. We don't got US30. I mean, not US30. US session right now is currently dead. Is what it is. I mean, last time we had like 25 people, 24 people at this time. But I feel like it's because of the market conditions and people get stopped out and fucked and then they don't feel like trading anymore. They're just trying to move on with their days, which I totally understand. Totally understand.
The way I'm shining every day, you might get blinded. I'm out my mind every day, I feel like flying. If you don't fuck with me, my nigga, I don't give a fuck. I got some partners, they gon' send you up the river. Did I keep the same aesthetics? I got the fuel unleaded, I never forget it. Never forget it. Ain't got no room for no mistakes and no flagging. It's the road I took, it was cloudy, it was foggy. Call forward and I'ma smoke up like a Marley.
Bitch ass US30, bro. Bitch ass US30.
Give a fuck what a nigga say, pocket stocky. Came a long way from selling dope to ice rocky. All these platinum ice in the face, feeling godly. When it's said and done, I'ma make $1 billion like Kylie. Bitches feed me grace because I'm grateful and I'm stylish. Ain't got time to wait on niggas, I'm going to catch a body. Ain't got time to wait on niggas, I'm going to catch a body. The way I'm shining every day, you might get blinded. I'm out my mind every day, I feel like flying. If you don't fuck with me, my nigga, I don't give a fuck. I got some partners, they gon' send you up the river. Did I keep the same aesthetics? I got the fuel unleaded, I never forget it. If my numbers about to pile up, you hit the lotto. I can guarantee you I'm the one that got the style from it.
relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me. No baby, your collection won't stand for it. You know you're in a relationship with all us. I get a few texts out of day saying it's all yours. I got a few states on speed, they're like good drugs.
Get in your bag, yeah, get in your bag, Whole new purse for a bread, come to the street, new jazz, turbo bitch by the drag. Nigga had M's for ass, got a brand new bitch, who that? Rock the flood AP all black.
White toes give me a 10, cocaine kill it 10. All the bitch won't do a shine, all of my pick which kind. I made you a starter, you went from a down to a quarter. I Chico the project, I live in that loud an apartment, yeah.
No bill to start it, I'm ready to spoil it. She sucking my dick, I'm hiding in the closet.
I'm hiding in the room, 3 bill in the room. You get silver spoon, I bought you some booze.
Shining hard, go we back up. Roll from your neck up. You know the longest time to try to check us. Papa it's feel like a Malcolm.
I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them.
Well, my wife ain't a quitter. I'll tell you that.
Take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy.
I'm pretty sure if she don't swallow, you can't marry her.
Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks,
Lyle's gonna have a field day with that one.
give me the yacht, please. I made you queen status. Check out my lean status. I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I put my dick inside her mouth before she left.
Yeah, I built relationships with all my bitches, yeah. I put my dick right in her mouth before she asked. I got your bitch in a backpack. I paid extra for the crib, it got a key, yeah.
I paid extra for the crib, it got a game room. Got a penthouse in the back, it ain't my main room. Tamika, Joe, and Portia kept it silent. That's the only reason I let them fly private.
Shining hard, go we back up. Rose gold from your neck up. You know you gon' get stopped trying to check us. Papa it's feel like a Malcolm.
I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me.
Six nights straight cook them
Before I go broke like Jock, fuck with that door like Vic. Not that rock, that pit. Pop me down in my sock, can't hold my Glock. Reason I don't really like that shit. Young turn nigga can't wipe no bitch. Excuse my French, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on 5 my car, yeah, I had it hurt. Since my bitch broke bad, I ain't had it hurt. Yeah, that's us. Two-tone AP, yeah, I'm buzzed. Got to hear from her, ain't even wanna fuck. Why? Slut, bop. Nothing on me from sex, everything revived. Old nigga told on bro should dad. No, he ain't Kim, dog, he ain't even try. Still a bet my last room nice in the hood. Take who chain, no, bitch not good. Probably in some fast with the Glock in the hood. Of course, had to take spell and walk on the wood. First turn nigga from the hood, they curious. Spoil and cars about 5 and jury.
I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one, put on the mirror. First young nigga in the A2 land, run on 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy diggies and diamonds and Tim. You shouldn't play with that boy. He
It's not one of them, bro. I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still making double, I don't count when I spin. S550 2018, gotta come 20 if you hopping in the bin.
Young turn nigga from the D to the A.
I'm rocking with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rocking with the braid. Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
I'ma turn it up a little more this time. Used to dream about getting out, got it on dry. I had a spot I could rush it with it. Yeah, have you about 20, I front what you buy. I put on drip, I believe I can fly. Niggas know that I'm rich, but they know not to try. I had a show in Detroit and I started reviving. Spent 50 on all of the guys. All of these hoes in the store make a mention, and plus I'ma tip them, they holding my side. Get in your car and just put on your flashes and follow the hearse, and you say you gon' ride. Cause somebody gon' die if they fuck with us. Turn a 5 to a dime, that's a double up. Fuck around, rockin' church with my double cup. This shit that happen, I'm praying, I give it up. Type to stay with the wood, make them give it up. No, I ran through a meal every week off of weed. Bro, beat the truck, I can give me some street. Got it back in the pickup, I won't even leave. Run it up, fuck around, get it vetted. DT, keep a hot boy with me, I got love for BG. Chasing his papers since 12 or 13, running around in these streets, he was me and Marquise.
First turn nigga from the hood, they curious. 4 and card about 5 and jury.
I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one, put on the mirrors. First young nigga in the A2 land, run a 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy Dickens and diamonds and Tim, you shouldn't play with that boy, he is
not one of them, bro. I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still making double, I don't count when I spin. S550 2018, gotta come 20 if you hopping in the bin.
Young term nigga from the D to the A.
I'm rocking with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rocking with the Braves. Yeah, we paid.
Yeah, we paid. First turn nigga from the hood, they curious. 4 and card about 5 and jury.
I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one, put on the mirror. First young nigga in the A2 land, run a 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy Dickens and diamonds and Tim, you shouldn't play with that boy, he is
not one of them, bro. I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still making double, I don't count when I spin. S550 2018, gotta come 20 if you hopping in the bin.
Young term nigga from the D to the A.
I'm rocking with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rocking with the Braves. Yeah, we paid.
Yeah, we paid.
She want the snare, go get it. She want the snare, go get it. She want the spinny, go get it. She want the brick, go get it. She want this Gucci, she get it. She want this Louis, go get it. Lose with the spike, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. How about the bitch, she get it. How about the Lil, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. How about the Gucci, get it. A chef to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on the titty. Anything she wants, she can get it. Anything you see, you can get it. He go the keys to the Bentley. When I fuck her, I got good intentions. I just can't get my partner start itching. What on me like I live with the fishes. I know every color in tennis. Got the diamond put in by my dentist. But my shine when I'm skinning and grinning. I my watch, I'm not wasting my time. Got no dripping with Uzi and slime.
What prop firm do you use? Funding Pips, Alpha, and FTMO. FTMO has denied me the last 2 payouts, and I haven't traded that account on Livestream. These trades that I took, which was GJ longs and US30 longs, I took 4 different trades or like 5, because I'm trading instant accounts for some of my clients, some of the people in the stream currently. And so therefore, some of them took GJ longs, other ones I took US30 longs. Why? Because GJ was already leaving. I didn't have time to fucking log into every different account. Sadly, I'm stuck with Funding Pips right now, which I'm not happy with because they transferred to Match Trader. Match Trader has been a bitch to trade. It's not been easy. It's not been easy. It's been horrible compared to Trade Locker. FTMO, obviously, everybody who's been watching the live stream for the last few months have seen, the growth that we've had on that 200K account. They denied a 9K payout, then they denied a 6K payout, both times giving me stupid ass weird excuses, and I just haven't even touched that account yet because I don't even think they're going to pay me out even if I get the payout. I'm only allowed to risk 1% per trade. They don't want me to risk. I can't take multiple trades in one trade idea, whatever that means. They don't have any consistency rule on me, but I can't risk more than fucking, well, it's a 200K account. 1% is not that bad, but yeah, I don't know. Those people really don't want me to get. That account's been live for over a year, bro. Over a year, and now they're giving me bullshit. So right now I'm just trying to focus on those instant live accounts from Funding Pips. Alpha dropped their instant live accounts. For those who don't know, if you guys go to the Alpha Funding, whatever, the alpha.com. If you go to the website, you'll be able to see that they have instant live accounts now as well for the same price as the instant Funding Pips ones. Funding Pips instant accounts. Boys, I just dropped a reel on my Instagram. I want everybody who's listening right now to please go comment on that reel. Please go comment on that reel. It is about this GJ trade. It's the GJ trade that we just took. So if you guys are not following the Instagram, make sure you guys go and follow the Instagram. Check out. It's where you guys are going to be able to be updated with everything that we are doing on a daily basis. I haven't looked too deep into it yet. I was going to do that today. Oof, US30, bye-bye, bitch. Go, go, go. Love to see it.
Sletty. I'm out here motherfucking golfing 7 in the morning. Look at this shit. This shit ain't no cap in my rap. Look at this shit. Ain't no cap in my rap. Tiger Hood. You know, Kizzy. Yeah. Tiger Hood, cuz. OTW. Sletty.
Well, welcome.
Mike will
I've been getting it since a toddler. I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she proud of what
Bruh, how's our GJ trade doing? Mars, Jupiter, ski. And what about our dirty 30? I love when shit just plays out and you're patient. You're just patient and shit just ends up playing out. We got Slickest, who we are managing his account currently in profit. Slickest, I don't think we're closing anytime soon, Bubba. I'm just kidding. I'm not even sure. I mean, the thing is that there's no fucking news. There's no major catalyst here that would tell me, hey, there's going to be crazy ass volatility that's just going to fucking plummet this thing. This thing's, you know, we had a huge, so for those who don't know, whenever we have market gaps, you see that there's a huge hole in the market here, right? We were here. Yes, we are very bearish, but we gapped downwards. Typically, what traders look for, experienced ones, are gap fills. What we call a gap fill is what we basically had here. And you saw it quickly happening once price approached this resistance level. This is when all the rookies were like, oh, the gap fill's happening, the gap fill's happening. Yeah, and then it faked everybody out and went downwards, right? You can't be too aggressive with it. But at the end of the day, whenever there's a gap, so if it gaps downwards, we're expecting price to come back up and fill that gap. You know, price has to come back slowly, or at one point, you know, come and cover the price that was not covered here. And it would be the same thing if we were to gap upwards. We'd be expecting price to come back down, and imagine we went from here to here. That was the gap. You know, we'd be expecting price to come and fill that gap. Now, could it go up, down, up, and then fill the gap? 100%. But those gap fills are something that we look for constantly. And that was initially one of the reasons I got into this trade, that gap fill. Second reason I got into this trade, 4-hour candlestick. The 4-hour candlestick looked like a maniac, and now it's going to close. It's going to close very bullishly. It's going to close not very bullishly. It's going to close at this 8 SMA, exactly how I anticipated before. I should be recording this. I should be goddamn recording this. What am I doing? So, update on how the trade is looking. Let me go back. I was explaining currently, one of the main reasons that we hopped into this trade, if I didn't explain before, is that we had a gap fill to the downside, right? Once we have a gap fill, that is something that us, you know, professional traders look for and try to catch the, you know, the gap fill. What does that mean? It means that there was a gap to the downside and that we're trying to catch price action, trying to fill that, you know, gap where there was literally no price. That's why it's called the gap fill. All right. And what it's calling out also is that there was a little bit of a fake out here. See how price rose, and this is probably where all the rookie traders started hopping in and try to catch this gap fill. Then it went back down, and see, that's exactly why you got to be patient with price. You can't be too aggressive. Got to throw more, you know, non-aggressive stop losses. But that was one reason that I hopped into this trade initially, was because I wanted to catch the gap fill, right? I had a strong feeling that price would have to come back up and start filling this whole gap that didn't get filled. Second reason we hopped in, as I anticipated before, 4-hour candlestick looked way too bullish with that huge wick. I did not expect that candlestick to just flip bearish. And we're probably going to get the setup that I was talking about a little earlier, which is where we're going to have a 4-hour candlestick close at the SMA, right? That's going to be an SMA fake out, something that we call out all the times here on Woke Money Concepts. What is an SMA fake out? That is where price right now, imagine this 4-hour candlestick closes right now, and it closes right beneath the 8 SMA. That's where rookie traders, retail traders would say, hey, we respected the 8 SMA. We're bearish. We respected the 8 SMA. That means that we should start, you know, trying to catch it downwards. What I'm expecting is the SMA fake out to happen, which is where that, you know, retail traders start hopping into the sells once we respect that 8 SMA. Next 4-hour candlestick opens, potentially makes a low. If not, it just opens with no bottom wick and just starts wick filling everything to the top. Watch it happen. Just watch it happen. Trade looks amazing though, so congratulations to everybody who got in. Oh shit, I brought out the stream ending fucking thing. Yeah, I don't plan on closing any of these trades. Thoughts on Richard Nixon? Bro, My fucking uncle. I love him. I fucking love him. Young gunna calling me swerve. Young bitch are coming need words. Bro, US30, come on. We're gonna have to wait. Oh, the new 4-hour candlestick is gonna open right now. Watch, we're gonna get the SMA fake out that we were literally expecting. I should fucking possibly record it. Back to YouTube video format. Ice, LeBerg. Smoke on the fifth and the third. Oh, Sully. It's like freaking watching paint dry, bruh. Yeah, I get like hard copyrights. It'd have to be like TikTok vids, maybe. You should find out for me how to do exactly that, Laya. How's some fucking... I got the TikTok app here, I think. But all we see on TikTok is fucking close to underage girls dancing.
I'm born to be blessed, I live with a curse. Well, shit is a mess, I'm rolling up first. I spoke on my blood, then
don't know you a star. Tell her that I'm still adjusting. Not living enough. This blunt, I'm taking a puff. I'm stuck, don't feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know when I stay out of town. I get dough when I stay out of town. 500 shots, I got 500 rounds. 500 plots, I got 500 pounds. Yeah.
I mean, the new 4-hour candlestick opened. It didn't really open how I wanted to, but it was with not as much volatility as I wanted to. Might make a little bottom wick here. I'm not going to really worry about that. What I am waiting for is this 4-hour candlestick to flip from bearish to bullish, and that will have 1 bullish candlestick, 2 bullish candlestick, 3 bullish 4-hour candlesticks. So this candlestick will be wick filling and continuing with the bullish momentum that we have had basically all currently the whole session. Young guy calling me swerve. Yo, bitch is coming me nerves. Ice. Lil Bird. Smoke on the 5th and the 3rd. QP's key. Damn. This video is gonna go to a tragedy if I don't get that candlestick to flip. That's funny. Ice, LeBert, smoke on the 5th and 3rd.
Pussy by the front door, niggas was throwing chairs, everything was going down. 50,000 people. Twin shit right here. Real twin shit right here. You gotta know about it.
Jumbo at the show, Jumbo at the show. Had to turn my flow, yeah. Had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah. They smaking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah. Just shut up and let me go. Riding in that beat, let it talk the truth. Bro, I rode these bust down watches on me. I got my blinking tongue. Head number 1 up on these Charlie, yeah. Stuck at one. All we do is to go number 1. And I just brought in some ends, little bitches the first of the month. Run, I'm in the game, little bitch, I'm much of the city, I'm afraid of the sun. I went and paid in the bins, I switch shit up, I wanted it, nobody done. All of my face, my family, my coat, my brother, my slime, my sister, my mom. I'm good about what you saying, I don't listen to it, I don't wanna hear about none. In the whip got 2 yeah, bro, right shirt, yeah, what they calling them on. I'm better bring this shit back and wait from the top at the time of the month. I'm better do it again, better do it again, better shit with a song. He gon' talk to Red. He gon' talk to the beats, he gon' talk to the Schmitz, he gon' talk to the lid. I'm just what you saying, you already heard what I said. You got big boy downs on me, he got big boy bread. And I'm giving up about the coupe, yeah, put the bitch on test.
Alright boys, I'm gonna close up the stream. I'm obviously gonna finish recording my video. When the chart plays out, catch you boys for Asian session. We'll have a quick one, London session as well, and New York. We're doing all of them. We're doing all of them, bro. All of them. So I'll see you guys there. Bye.